Ever felt like you're drowning in a sea of HubSpot meetings, desperately searching for that one crucial conversation but coming up empty? You know it's somewhere in there, but sifting through endless meeting records feels like searching for a needle in a haystack. It's frustrating, time-consuming, and can seriously impact your productivity. You're not alone. Many HubSpot users struggle with effectively searching their meeting history. But what if I told you there's a better way? A way to quickly and easily pinpoint the exact meeting you need, saving you precious time and frustration? In this video, we're diving deep into the world of HubSpot meeting search, uncovering all the tips and tricks you need to become a search master. We'll explore the different search options available, from basic keyword searches to advanced filtering techniques, ensuring you can find any meeting in seconds. Whether you're looking for a specific client interaction, a key decision made during a sales call, or simply trying to jog your memory about a past discussion, this video has you covered. Before we jump into the how-to, let's quickly understand why effective meeting search is so important. Think about it. Meetings are where deals are closed, strategies are formulated, and crucial client relationships are built. They're a treasure trove of information, but that information is only valuable if you can access it. Imagine needing to reference a specific point discussed in a meeting weeks ago. Without a proper search strategy, you could waste hours trying to find it, potentially missing critical details or even losing a deal. Effective search empowers you to leverage the full value of your meeting data, improving your sales performance, streamlining your workflow, and ultimately, making you more efficient. Now, let's get practical. The first and most obvious way to search your HubSpot meetings is using the search bar. Located at the top of your HubSpot portal, this unassuming little bar is your gateway to finding almost anything, including meetings. The key here is to use relevant keywords. Think about what you remember about the meeting. Was it with a specific contact? Did you discuss a particular product or service? Did you mention a specific competitor? Try entering those keywords into the search bar. HubSpot will then sift through your meeting transcripts and associated records, pulling up any meetings that contain those keywords. Let's say you're looking for a meeting with a client named John Smith about your premium software package. You could try searching for John Smith Premium Software. HubSpot will then return any meetings where those terms appear. However, simply relying on keywords can sometimes be limiting. What if you don't remember the exact keywords used? Or what if the meeting wasn't transcribed perfectly? That's where advanced filtering comes in. HubSpot offers a range of powerful filters that allow you to refine your search and narrow down your results. These filters go beyond simple keywords and allow you to search based on specific criteria, such as date range, meeting type, attendees, and even the associated deal or contact. To access these filters, navigate to your meetings page. You'll typically find a filters or advanced search option, often represented by a funnel icon. Clicking on this will open up a panel with various filtering options. One of the most useful filters is the date range. If you know the approximate date of the meeting, you can use this filter to significantly narrow down your search. Instead of searching through months of meeting records, you can focus on a specific week or even a single day. This is particularly helpful if you have a high volume of meetings. Another powerful filter is the meeting type. HubSpot allows you to categorize your meetings, for example, as sales calls, product demos, or client check-ins. By filtering by meeting type, you can quickly find all meetings of a specific nature. This is great for analyzing your sales process or reviewing past client interactions. The attendees filter is also incredibly useful. If you remember who was present at the meeting, you can use this filter to find it. Simply start typing the name of the attendee, and HubSpot will suggest matching contacts. This is especially helpful if you're looking for a meeting with a specific individual or a group of people. Beyond these basic filters, HubSpot also allows you to search within the meeting transcript itself. This is a game changer. Even if you don't remember the exact keywords used during the meeting, you can search for specific phrases or topics discussed. This is incredibly helpful for finding those crucial details that might have otherwise been lost. Now, let's talk about some best practices for HubSpot meeting search. First, be specific with your keywords. The more specific you are, the more accurate your results will be. Instead of searching for meeting, try searching for sales meeting Q3 strategy. Second, use a combination of keywords and filters. Don't rely solely on one or the other. By combining keywords with filters like date range and meeting type, you can significantly narrow down your search and find what you're looking for faster. Third, familiarize yourself with HubSpot's search operators. These are special characters that you can use to refine your search. For example, using quotation marks around a phrase will search for that exact phrase. Using the minus sign will exclude results containing a specific word. Learning these operators can take your search skills to the next level. Fourth, regularly review and categorize your meetings. This will make it much easier to find them later. Use descriptive meeting titles and add relevant notes. This will also help HubSpot's search algorithm understand the context of your meetings and return more relevant results. Finally, don't be afraid to experiment. Try different combinations of keywords and filters. See what works best for you. The more you use HubSpot's meeting search features, the more comfortable and efficient you'll become. So, to recap, effective HubSpot meeting search is crucial for leveraging the valuable information contained within your meeting records. By using a combination of keywords, filters, and search operators, you can quickly and easily find any meeting you need. Remember to be specific, combine different search methods, and regularly review your meeting data. With a little practice, you'll become a HubSpot meeting search master, saving yourself time and frustration. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.